I have two 10-ounce bags of frozen chopped spinach. Last minute effort. Usually I will take and throw it in the fridge, let it defrost, and then squeeze out all the juice. We are going to have a lot of moisture. Nice thing about using frozen, it's not like fresh. But this was something last minute. That looks like 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. Alright, time to walk it up. Wait for it. Sizzle, sizzle. It's been less than 5 minutes. And I'm just a little, I'm amazed. I did frozen for the first time, and there's hardly any moisture. Normally, I will take it, put it in the fridge, and squeeze out all the moisture. It's not that bad. And that is coconut milk residue. Alright, I learned something new. I try to give you one of ones or something different. But seriously, look at that. And you could definitely smell the spinach. Less than 5 minutes. Another video for my vegetarian playlist. I've been told I don't shoot enough vegetarian, so there you go. Love you.